be aware that there are 4 pillars to optimal health: proper diet, exercise, rest, and positive attitude. In today's lifestyle, one more important pillar is added, and that is proper posture. You can ask why. A study conducted by the National Institute of Health showed that 70.5% of respondents reported musculoskeletal complaints, the most common complaints being in the neck, lower back, and shoulders. You like it or not, our work, study, and leisure is around laptop and mobile usage. So posture needs to be considered in all our daily activities. In order to address this, I'll start with the basic things used by all of us at home on a daily basis. Let's first take bed. You spend almost 1/3 of your life sleeping. Then how should your bed be? Top of bed after putting on the mattress should be between 16 to 25 inches high from the ground level depending on the height of the user. Mattress should not be too soft. Side tables can be same or lower than bed height, which will help in picking or keeping things in a lying position. Legs should never dangle but firmly rest on the ground in a sitting position. And the headboard needs to be curved to give proper back support. Next thing which is often used is a sofa. But are you aware of your body posture when you sit on it? The angle between thighs and legs should be 90 degrees. The sofa back should be slightly inclined backward. Make sure your hips touch the sofa backrest. If not, use cushion as padding. And if sitting for a longer time, keep your legs on a raised platform or table. Now let's see the position of a television in a room. The center of the TV should be at an eye level so that your neck is straight. Recommended height can be between 45 to 50 inches from the floor level to the center of the TV, and sit at least 10 feet away from the screen when the television is big. And the size of the TV varies depending on the size of the room. These are some of the basic things to start with and need to be taken care of. In the upcoming video, I will tell how to increase your efficiency at work from home or office or while kids study, and many more things about ergonomics. I will also include do's and don'ts to maintain good posture. I promise that it is going to be highly informative, so keep watching this space. To know more about postures, I have created a course called Ergonomics and Anthropometry in Interior Design. Links are given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.